Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where we talk about all things related to agriculture. In today's video, we are going to dive deep into maize farming and learn everything there is to know about this crucial crop that has transformed the agricultural scene around the world. Maize, also known as corn, is one of the most important crops in the world. Its versatility is so remarkable that it can be used for human consumption, animal feed, and for the production of ethanol fuel. But how do we grow maize? It all starts with selecting the right land. Maize requires well-drained and fertile soil, which can be achieved by adding organic matter and plowing the land. It's important to have good soil moisture holding capacity, so that the plants do not dry out during the growing season. Once we have the right soil, we can begin sowing the maize. The best time to plant maize is during the warmer months, as it requires a minimum temperature of 10 to 12 degrees Celsius for successful germination. Sowing should be done at a depth of around 5 to 7 centimeters and at a spacing of 20 to 30 centimeters between the rows. Maize requires a considerable amount of water to grow, so irrigation is necessary. In the initial stages, irrigation should be done at regular intervals to ensure the proper growth of plants. Weeding is also essential to prevent the growth of unwanted plants and to ensure that the maize plants receive maximum nutrients from the soil. Maize is highly susceptible to pests, so monitoring and controlling pests is vital. Insecticides and pesticides can be used to control pests, and it's important to maintain proper sanitation to avoid the growth of harmful bacteria. As the maize plants grow, they will start to mature, and this is when the actual harvest begins. Depending on the variety of maize grown and the geographical region, harvest time can vary. Maize is ready for harvest when the kernels have hardened and the cobs have dried. At this point, the maize plants should be cut down, and the ears of maize should be separated from the plant. Once we have harvested the maize, we can store it in dry and cool conditions to prevent spoilage. The harvested maize can be sold as it is or processed into different products such as maize flour, cornmeal, popcorn, and many other food products. In conclusion, maize farming is highly crucial as it generates food, feed, and fuel. It's a demanding crop that requires good soil,